Hi guys, let's solve the problem 392 is subsequence. Okay, so let me just give you the brief introduction what this question is saying. Okay, now I have two strings S and T. I have to tell this S is a subsequence of T. Okay, this is what I have to tell. So basically, if I just write A, H, B, G, D, C. Now I can make A, B, C. I have to go in this way. I can't go like this, then this, then this, this. Not like this. In a straight position. Okay. And if this can be formed from T, then I have to return true. Else, what I have to do is just simply return false. Okay. So what this approach is, what's the approach? What I will do is, let's A, let's write this. A, H, B, G, D, C. A, B, and C. So I will take two pointers. One would be at T position, T string, and another would be at S position. Okay, now what I will do is if they are equal, I'll move the pointers to one position. And if they aren't equal, I just move the T pointer. Yes, are they equal? Move. They are not equal? Move. They are not equal? Move. They are equal? Move. The moment I reach out of bound, I'll say, and I found this. I found that I returned true. And after the completion, if my pointer is still less than the length of S, then I return false. Okay, let's code this. Then S, comma, right. Yeah. Okay, I found the length, and I need two pointers, I, comma, j equal to 0, comma, 0. Now, while for S it would be I, and for j it would be t. If j is less than t, why? Okay. If t of j equals to s of I, increment both the pointers. Else, increase the pointer. Okay. Now, if I is greater than equals to length of s, return true, else return false. Let's submit this. Okay. Okay. This problem. If len s equals to 0, return true. What this means is, suppose my s is empty. Okay, so empty string is also a substring of any string. So it is just give me this position. Okay, the condition is getting and I less than of s. It would run properly for sure. Yeah, I submit this. Because what it is happening is my index is getting over out of boundary, but j is also involved. So yeah. Hope you understand this concept. If you do, please give it a like and subscribe. So yeah.